5 workouts to reduce belly fat. When you think of losing weight, one of the first things that should come to your mind is building a toned and taut tummy. After all, who wouldn't want to slip into an old pair of jeans without nothing bulging out? Besides, losing fat from your stomach is one of the surefire methods of improving your health. If health is your concern, one of the first things that should go is stubborn belly fat. The fat you carry in your stomach, known as visceral fat, is different from other fat in your body. That is, subcutaneous fat. Visceral fat found on the stomach could be dangerous, as it damages your health and is typically associated with conditions like heart diseases, cholesterol, diabetes, cancer, etc. While there is nothing called spot reduction, there are a few things you can do to speed up the process of losing belly fat. These exercises, combined with a healthy diet and adequate sleep, can do wonders and help you lose belly fat. Best exercises to lose belly fat. Number 1. Burpees. Burpees is one of the best exercises to tone your stubborn belly. Burpees work on your core at the same time toning your chest, shoulders, tricep, lats and quads. Burpees employ explosive polymetric movement that helps you burn fat and tone your body. In addition, it is a heart-healthy exercise as it gets your heart pumping. How to do it? Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Now, send your hips back as you lower your weight for a low squat. Next, place your hands outside your feet and quickly hop back into your feet, while allowing your chest and midriff to touch the floor. Next, push your hands against the floor to lift your body up in a plank position, and then jump your feet outside of your hands. Finally, with your weight on the heels of your feet, jump into the air towards the sky, as high as you can with your arms overhead. Number 2. Hollow body holds. Here is another miracle exercise for burning belly fat and toning your midriff. Hollow body holds are usually performed by gymnasts. It is their go-to exercise. This is a staple belly fat loss exercise for one reason only. They are a major core blaster. You heard that right. This exercise will do wonders for your body. How to do it? You have to start by lying down and pressing your lower back to the ground. Now, hinge at the hips to tuck your knees into your chest, at the same time raising your shoulders off the ground and reaching forward with your arms. Next, extend your legs and hold them in position. Stretch your arms behind your head and squeeze your core to maintain the right posture. If you are a beginner, you can keep your arms pointed forward to make this move a little less difficult. Hold the pose for 30 seconds straight, and as you start developing core strength, you can go up to about a minute. Number 3. Sprawls. Sprawls are a super effective belly fat blasting exercise. Think of the sprawl like a burpee but on steroids. It is a full body exercise that engages almost all muscle groups, burns as many calories as possible while shaping and toning your upper body, especially the belly and abs region. Sprawls take traditional burpees to the next level by giving you the workout of your life. How to do it? Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart just as you do in burpees. Now, squat down as low as possible and place your hands on the ground. Next, jump your feet back and lower your body to touch the ground as you would do in a plank position. Next, push yourself to a plank and then jump your feet outside of your hands back to the squat position. Stand back up. That completes one whole rep. If you want to burn more calories with this exercise, you can add a jump between each sprawl. Number 4. Bird dog. This belly fat blasting exercise is as fun as it sounds. The bird dog exercise allows you to move dynamically within your workout. This is a great way to help you tone that stomach and lose the stubborn visceral belly fat. In this exercise, you not only work your hip and core muscles, but you also work to improve your balance and coordination. In the beginning, you may fall a few times, but that's okay. It takes some time to get used to this exercise. How to do it? Put your body weight on your hands and toes as you bend your knees to a tabletop position. Make sure you keep your spine straight and squeeze your core to engage the abs muscles. Next, raise your left arm to reach forward while simultaneously lifting your right leg and stretch it out. Hold this for a count before repeating the movement with the other limb. Number 5. Mountain climbers. You must have done mountain climbers sometime in your life before. A common exercise, mountain climbers engage your core and also work your legs. They set your heart pumping. Think of the mountain climber as a sort of a moving plank. You should perform a crunch every time you draw your knee to your chest. How to do it? Get down in a push-up position, keeping your hands below your shoulders. You should form a straight line with your body, from your head to your toes. Now, lift your right feet off the floor. Drag your right knee towards your chest before returning to the original position. Now, alternate the movement with both your legs. These are some of the best workouts to lose excess belly fat. Remember that these exercises alone won't give you a toned belly. You should also consume a healthy diet, drink plenty of water, and get enough sleep to achieve the best results.
That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos. And subscribe to our channel.